They say you should marry your best friend. So Maya did what any rational person would do and married her brother's best friend.
You'll be my huckleberry.
All right, I'm gonna get on the tall side.
Tall side? What are you talking about?
That is the tall side.
Sixth or seventh grade, I'm not sure when, but one late night we're hanging out, and I remember Matt tells me, he says, I have a big crush on your sister, I really like her. And I was like, oh, okay, all right. Did I think this would end up here? No, I did not. Here we are.
Matt, you knew you had someone special snagging one of the most fearsome of all the dairy cousins. Your smile can light up a room, and I think your iron will can burn down the same room.
Maya's strong-willed, athletic, intelligent, and beautiful. And yes, she gets all that from her mother, Laura. The strong will, that might be a little bit of both of us.
You can imagine growing up with a twin. Probably think it's pretty tough, and it is. But it also has its perks. Maya is one of the most loyal, caring people.
Maya and I first met when I started dating her brother 12 years ago. When I married Caleb, Maya became my first sister. We've also been on quite a few Harima Caldwell vacations, but most recently we went to Norris Lake. Maya and Matt were not dating, but when we got home from our vacation, our son Barrett, who was 2 at the time, wanted to say our dinner time prayer. His prayer went like this: Dear Jesus, thank you for our food. Thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for dirt and tractors. And thank you for our family and Pop Pop and Wawa, Auntie Mai Mai, Uncle Gavin, Auntie Nell. And thank you for Matt. So I think Barrett knew and wanted Maya and Matt to end up together in the long run.
I'll be your bottom line. You'll be my slow and steady. I'll be your bottom line.
Whee! It looks so good.
Today, she steps into a new chapter. Not as our little soccer star, or Gavin's rival, but as a strong, confident woman beginning a life with someone who loves her as deeply as we do.
That's what you're waiting for. Here, Dave.
I'll take the weight off your shoulders, just like you taught me to.
Hey, baby girl.
'Cause you showed me my potential before I ever knew.
Matt, let me offer you three quick pieces of fatherly wisdom, the 3 Ps. Be the priest of your home. Be the provider, not just financially, but emotionally. Be the protector. Stand by Maya. Maya, you've always been the light in our lives. Today you shine even brighter.
I wouldn't be here without you, so I wanted to give you my bouquet as a small symbol of my gratitude, being not just my mom, but also my best friend. I love you.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Psalm 18:30. God's way is perfect. All the Lord's promises prove true. He is a shield for all who look to him for protection. I want your marriage to be founded on that steadfast, unwavering faith that God's way is perfect and best.
I vow to listen more than I speak, apologize when I'm wrong, and to never stop choosing you.
I promise to always be there for you, no matter what highs or lows we will face. I'm excited to get to do it all with you.
I love you, now, always, forever.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, you may kiss your bride. To present for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Matt Caldwell!
Right about here.
Sing Fleetwood Mac, reading Kerouac with an old Kodak on the dashboard. Carolina Pines, Georgia on my mind, crossing state lines through the Gulf Shore. Or a gateway to the west, Colorado's blessed. I'll invest my time in the gold rush. Put on your sunglasses, yeah, we're striking blues.
I want to thank you guys for being out here. I'd also like to give it up for my wife here. Look how good she looks. It means the world. You guys are here, and we're thankful for all of you and love all of you. So thank you.